Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson. In this video we're gonna see the numbers. So let us together practice the pronunciation. Are you ready? Here we go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 and 29 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 1,000 1,000. Pay attention. 13 30 17 70. Now let's do some maths. 2 plus 7 equals 9. This was easy, but we need more practice. So please don't forget to do the exercises. Until we meet next time, take care of yourselves.